Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna explain to you how you can make your hiring process as easy and as smooth as possible. At the time of recording this video, I have a team of 10 people and I'll explain to you how I did hire them and how we did onboard them. When it comes to hiring, you can use a lot of different platforms. You can use Fiverr, you can use Upwork, you can use LinkedIn. Personally, all of my current team members were hired from Upwork simply because I have found a really good quality of people there that care about delivering results and being a valuable asset to our team. The way you need to structure your ad on Upwork is you need to have a very detailed explanation of what their role will be, what their responsibilities will be, and what exactly you're looking for. The more detailed, the better. And at the end of the ad, I leave a form where I ask a bunch of questions about the person, and in the end of the form, I leave a place where they can record a quick 30 seconds to 1 minute video to explain why we need to hire them over the others. And the purpose of this video is not to see what they'll say, but it's more to see what level English they have, how they communicate, how they hold themselves up. So it's definitely not about why we need to hire them before the others. After 10 to 20 people fill out the form, I start to shortlist them. After I shortlist the people, I invite them to a first interview. The first interview is basically to learn more about the person, where they're at in life, what they're looking for, and basically to see their personality and to see if they'll be a right fit for our team. After the first interview, I shortlist again, and most of the times I'm left with 2 to 5 people for a second and final interview. The second and final interview is to learn about their skills, see how experienced they are, what they have done when it comes to the position I'm hiring for, and based on all of the information, I decide which one to hire, and then I hop on a call with them and we discuss compensation. After that, we hire them. And the steps after hiring them and before giving them to work on a client are crucial. Before letting them work on a client, we start to onboard them. We introduce them to the team, we introduce them to the clients, we onboard them on all of the platforms that we're using, like Notion, Discord, WhatsApp groups, and we provide them with a list of SOPs of how we work, how we communicate with clients, what are the expectations, how we communicate with each other, weekly team calls, and performance trackers. Let me give you an example. At the moment, we are hiring an email marketing manager, which is going to handle strategies, building calendars, communicating with clients, all for email marketing. We already have a lot of graphic designers, we have copywriters, we already have someone that's managing clients, but with the amount of clients that we're onboarding and signing on email marketing, we soon are gonna need support. And one thing to remember, never leave hiring for the last minute, because hiring is a long process. Sometimes it might take 2, 3, even 4 weeks to a month before you find the right person for your team. Now, since we're looking for a person to manage accounts on email marketing, we're building all of the SOPs on the way we work, the way we communicate with clients and the team. Some of those SOPs are how to make an audit of the account, how to increase subscribers, how to communicate with clients, how to communicate with the team, how to build a calendar, how to do reports, how to improve email deliverability, how to improve CTR, how to improve sales, and basically how to help the graphic designers with the structure of the emails. And of course, when you're hiring, you should hire A players if you can afford them. And most of the time, they'll know how to communicate with clients and do all of the stuff that I just mentioned. But every single agency, every single business has its own way of doing things. Of course, you can let them have an input of the way you do things. Maybe they'll share something that will save you time, it will make you more efficient, and you should be always open for new ideas on how to improve your business. But we provide them with all of the SOPs, they read them, they let us know if we can improve something or they're happy with everything that is shared, and then we introduce them to the clients. For the first 1 to 2 months, I give, let's say, Facebook ads managers, Google ads managers, or email marketing managers, I give them just 1 to 2 accounts and I work together with them on the accounts. I just want to make sure everything is on point, and after transferring clients to them, the results will not drop, and I want to make sure that they know what they're talking about and what they're doing, because everyone can lie on an interview, everyone can pretend that it's professional, they know what they're doing, they know what they're talking about, but until you give them an account and you see how they work, you will never know. And that's about it. I hope this was helpful. If you found value in this, like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out to get these videos out there, and I'll see you in the next one.